this is what it's all about at times, Sam, this great game, rugby, and this is a special occasion for these two teams. Yeah, the crowd appreciating that, so too the players, Fijian, Drua and Moana Pasifika, the players in the crowd.
Don't they have some steel? Don't they have some backbone? Character, attitude, commitment, down to 13 men. Unbelievable. The character of this team defended for the last 20 minutes of that game and somehow came away with the W. What a game.
There's so many talent out there, and there's so many, prospects of players all over, Auckland and the islands, and just giving them a light to go out there and shine, and giving them a stage to go out there and do what they do. And yeah, we're happy for that, and gives more boys opportunities to feed their families as well.
What I like about the Moana and Drua coming in is the different culture, the Pacific Islander culture they bring into the competition, and I think it's just pretty cool that we get to embrace each other's culture. Obviously, with the culture around, it doesn't matter where you come from or who you represent, you belong to a culture and you should be able to celebrate it, so it's pretty cool.
I think for me it's quite special being able to see those teams go out and compete and have the opportunity to be able to shine at this level and show the talents that the Pacific nations have to offer here in New Zealand and Australia. Is quite amazing. So for me, it's always an awesome opportunity to be able to play them, but also watch them too.
The way they connect with where they're from, their cultures, multicultural team, well coached.
The challenge with going
To our Drua family, all the best for next week, next race. We'll certainly be cheering you on.
Three teammates who will take on a holiday to Fiji and why? None of these guys.
Radio Fiji time. Three teammates you'll take on a holiday in Fiji and why?
Ooh, take the rich ones. Christian, Sekope, and Tomasi, because they're all max contracts.
Take Azar, Philo, and Pisa. Zello and Manu.
I'll take Jimmy, so you can translate for me. I'll take Nu and I'll take Sekope, because Sekope's got a holiday house over there.
I'll take Timothy. It's Timothy over.
Oh, this fella.
Three teammates here will take on holiday to Fiji and why?
This fella, Christian, and Thomas. Because they can sponsor me and I can take them on a tour.
Yeah.
I'm good. Thanks, Fiji Airways.
Pula, na tomu tima. Pula, mo di sa nawai di tim ni Drua at laki na tim ni Moana. Anu itakan na ado may bakalulu. Na. Make sure you come down, get the action. Get Sugar City, baby. Let's go. Naka. Naka. Ay!
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Malo. Cup of tea.
Kava.
No. Kulini kamu